Hello.
Hello,
What's your name?
my name is Nicole.
How old are you?
I'm sick.
How are you today?
I'm happy.
I'm happy.
I'm happy.
Okay, what's your favorite color? Do you like red, purple? I like I like
I like red.
Okay, what's your favorite toy?
I like train.
Good. What's your favorite animal? I
I
like
like
What's your favorite
cat.
animal? Cat. Okay. So, how many books do you have?
I like.
I have I have
I have
7 books.
7 books.
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 How many brothers do you have? I have
I have
one
brother.
one brother. One brother.
One brother.
Okay, thank you. Goodbye.
But